Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to have one of my team members, Drew Crawford, actually create a video for you guys. I want to expand beyond just me and get my talented team on board as well making these videos. So without further ado, let's welcome Drew.
Have you ever wondered if there's a time limit on the skippable InStream ads on YouTube? Hey, welcome back to Linx University. My name is Drew Crawford and I'm your host today. And today we're actually going to be answering a question from one of our members of our Facebook group, which is the YouTube Ad Buyers Facebook group. And this question here comes from Brad, and he's wondering, is there a time limit on videos we can use for InStream ads? So for those that don't know, the skippable InStream ads are the videos that you see before the videos you actually want to see on YouTube. Those are the ones with the little skip ad after 5 seconds, right? So they have the video and you have 5 seconds where you have to watch it, and then you can hit skip at that 5-second mark. And so there's no limit to the InStream ads, right? You could actually run a 20-30 minute video if you so choose so. But normally we'd actually recommend that longer type of ad as a discovery ad rather. And then for InStream ads, we recommend keeping it to a minimum of at least 45 seconds, 1 minute, average about 3 to 4. They say the average person has an attention span of like 3 minutes and like 10 seconds. So that's kind of what we keep in mind when we're trying to script these videos. Is a 3 minute mark is usually kind of the sweet spot. So another option, what you could actually test, and we've seen people do, is to actually test like almost like a mini webinar as a skippable InStream ad, right? So making a 10 to 30 minute video directly to a VSL or an order form, and then you could actually also retarget those who have visited the VSL page with testimonial videos, which are the shorter content. So basically running your webinar as a CPV campaign for those that on YouTube through an ad, getting them to click over to a VSL where you're selling your product, or even directly to an order form, and then using testimonial videos to actually retarget those people back on YouTube that visited the VSL order form but didn't buy. So really there's two ways with the skippable InStream ads. You can go the traditional route of running a video between 1 to 4 minutes, or you could test something a little bit differently and try maybe like a mini webinar that's longer. But normally, like we said, we'd recommend kind of like a 3 minute video as the sweet spot in terms of time limit for the skippable InStream ads. But really it can be as long or as short as it needs to be to get your message across. Thanks for watching this video. If you guys like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you want to see more of this type of content, hit the subscribe button. And if you're not already a part of our YouTube Ads Buyers on Facebook, please join that group. It's a great place to ask questions and network with other individuals that are really interested in YouTube ads like yourself. And until the next video, I will see you then.
Walk with our feet on the ground, and we will talk with our head in the clouds, and we will walk with our feet on the ground, and we will talk with our head in the clouds.